Hi students, we're starting chapter 2, which is basically basic concepts in geometry. We've done sets. Now we're starting basic concepts in geometry. This chapter you can find in the second book, part 2 of your maths book. I will also send you the maths book along with the lesson plan and this video. You can see chapter 1. Okay, so basically today my objective is students will be able to understand and apply the concept of coordinates of points and distance. So what am I basically doing? I am understanding pehle. First thing we are doing is we are understanding, and then what are we doing? We are applying. We are then going to learn how to apply concept of the coordinates of points and distance. So the first thing I'm going to do is, what is a point? Now I am going to make one dot over here. Point ban gaya. That's a point. Okay. Over here I have made D. Okay. This is a point. I have named the point D. Simple. Now I am going to look at a line. This is my number line. Okay. Now number line mein something to remember is I have made two arrows. Whenever you make a number line, making this arrow is very very important, क्योंकि आपका लाइन इधर नहीं खत्म हो रहा है. दिस विल गो ऑन. जैसे 3 है यहाँ पे, इट विल गो ऑन 4 5 6 7 8. Over here also -4 -5 -6 -7 and so on. Both lines, they are never ending. They can keep going on. So make sure you make this. If I also take a scale, alright, and I put it over here, now look here. See, what I've done is I've taken a midpoint, okay, and all these points are at equidistance. It is very important. See, if you're going to make it equidistance पे, then what's going to happen is your line will look very very neat, which is very important. So मेरा 0 and 1 के बीच में जो distance है वो ही 2 and 3 के बीच में भी है, 1 and 2 के बीच में भी है, 0 and -1 के भी बीच में है. So make sure you take a scale, a ruler when you are drawing this, and you make the distance the same between every point. Okay, now I know what a number line is. Now I know what a line is. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to see a point on a line. This I have made -1. This is a point on this line. Point on a line. So just the same way, this is another point on the line. Okay. Now what we're going to do is coordinates of points and distance. Okay. Now I've made a new number line. Okay. I've written all my numbers. 0 is my midpoint, and then I write plus my numbers, I write minus my numbers. Okay. Now look, I have also put alphabets on every point. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, L, M, N, O, P and R. So I've put alphabets as well. Now look, I am looking at M. Okay. If I am looking at M पे कौन सा नंबर है? 2. I can see that. How is it written? M on the number line denotes 2. Correct? M है, M के नीचे नंबर क्या है? 2. How do I write this in a mathematical form? Is the coordinate of point M is equal to 2. Coordinate of point M is 2. 2 is a coordinate. A coordinate is a number on a line. What is a coordinate? Here. Coordinate is a number on a line. Okay. Now The same way C, I'm going to go look for C ये रहा, ठीक है. C पे कौन सा नंबर है? -4, ठीक है. C on the number line denotes -4. Sorry, I've written -3. Let me make that change. -4. Okay. Now, sorry, I don't know why I've made this mistake. Okay. So, C on the number line denotes -4. How do I write it? The coordinates of point C is -4. मतलब what is the point C पे कौन सा coordinate है? -4. These are coordinates. Now you know what coordinates are? Coordinates are basically points on your line. ठीक है. Now I'm going to learn how to find the distance between two coordinates, okay, or 2 points. I'm going to learn how to find the distance between 2 points or 2 coordinates, okay. Now, to find the distance between 2 points, what am I looking? Look at their coordinates first, ठीक है. पहले अगर if I tell you find the distance between 2 points, मैं पहले क्या देखूंगी? I'm going to look at the number line and I'm going to see what are the points on these two, what are the coordinates on these 2 points, ठीक है. Now I am telling you, look at point N and point L. Okay, let's go back here. Point N, मेरा point N कहाँ पर है? ये रहा. Point N and point L. Okay. Now, what are my coordinates on these 2 points? Point N is 3 and point L is 1. So, coordinate of point N is 3. Coordinate of point L is 1. I have written that. Now, what am I going to do? Just for our reference, I have made the same number line again over here. Okay. Now, what we know, first thing that I know is 3 is bigger than 1. मेरे को पता है 3 1 से बड़ा है. It is a bigger number. So, the distance between point N and point L is, how do I write it? D, which is D stands for distance bracket N comma L. So I'm going to write the 2 alphabets of the 2 points I am considering. So distance bracket N comma L and close the bracket is equal to 3 minus 1. Now what something very important to remember is you are going to take जो बड़ा number है. Over here we consider ना 3 is a bigger number. So you are going to subtract बड़ा number. So पहले you are going to put the बड़ा number minus 1 which is equal to 2. Okay. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Where did I get this from? N का coordinate 3 था, L का coordinate 1 था. तो मैंने N से L minus किया and मेरे को मिला 2. Okay. Now look, how am I going to check is, L देख रही हूँ, I do one jump. L to M I do one jump. I've written 1 over here. M to N I do one more jump. I've written 2 over here. So when I add 1 plus 1 I get 2. Correct? So I know this number 2 over here and 2 over here is matching. So I know this is correct. Now we're going to try it one more time. Okay? Find the distance between point D and point B. Let's see. Point D. Point D का क्या है? -3. And point B. Point B is -5. Okay. So first thing I'm writing is coordinate of point D is -3. Coordinate of point B is -5. Now what do I need to write? What do we know? -3 is bigger than -5. Now I understand 5 is bigger than 3, but over here when I look at it, I am looking at 0 मेरा मिड पॉइंट है. 0 से पास कौन सा है, 3 की 5? 3. We know it is 3. Therefore -3, sorry, we know it is -3. So -3 is bigger than -5. आप जितना दूर जाते जाओगे माइनस में, आपका नंबर उतना ही कम होता जाएगा. So -3 is bigger than -5. Okay, I have written that over here. -3 is bigger than -5. Now distance between the 2 points, what is it? D, distance, bracket D comma B, bracket close, is equal to -3 minus bracket -5. Now why have I done minus and minus over here? Why did I put it in bracket? Is because ये एक माइनस है, ये अलग माइनस है. ये तो मेरा सब्ट्रैक्शन का माइनस है, ये मेरे नंबर लाइन का माइनस है. इसको मैं पहले ब्रैकेट में रख दूंगी. देन -3 माइनस एंड माइनस है, क्या हो जाता है? प्लस. सो +5 minus and minus becomes plus. Quick thing, plus and plus is equal to plus. Plus and minus is equal to minus. Correct? And minus is also equal to, sorry, plus. Okay? So minus and minus plus. Now what do I have? -3 plus 5. यहाँ पे एक माइनस है, तो इसका मतलब आई एम सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. मतलब 5 and 3. 5 minus 3 कितना हुआ? 2. बिगर नंबर कौन सा है? 5 बड़ा नंबर है एंड साइन क्या है? प्लस. सो इट बिकम्स +2. सिंपल. दिस शुड बी सिंपल. नाउ some very important things to remember is distance between 2 points is found by subtracting smaller coordinate from the bigger coordinate. मतलब जो छोटा कोऑर्डिनेट है उससे बड़ा कोऑर्डिनेट को हम माइनस करेंगे. सेकेंड थिंग, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स इज ऑलवेज अ पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर. आपके दो नंबर के बीच में जो डिस्टेंस होगा वो कभी भी माइनस में नहीं होगा. इट विल नेवर बी इन माइनस. इट विल ऑलवेज बी अ पॉजिटिव नंबर एंड इट विल बी अ रियल नंबर, विच मीन्स 1 2 3 4. For this question, I will do 1 jump and 2 jump. 1 plus 1, which is 2. Correct? These are my 2 jumps. So I know that I am doing a 2 number का jump. Correct? आप -2 में थोड़ा ना करिए. You're not doing -2 jumps. That does not make sense. So your distance will always be positive. If you are getting a negative number, that means we are doing something wrong. Okay? Now after you watch this video, I am also sending these 2 sheets of the lesson so you can look at it. What you are going to do is you are going to make your own notes in your notebook. अपना पहले notes बनाएंगे and then we are going to do this worksheet. I am sending a picture of this as well. Okay, worksheet hai. It's a very small worksheet. It will not take you more than 15-20 minutes. We are going to fill in the blanks using the given line. Ye number line hai. We are going to finish this. Okay, what is this? I am asking you, isme se which is the bigger number. You are going to tell me which is the bigger number. Okay, find the distance between the 2 points. Also make a number line for each question and show the jump. I have done one example for you. Okay, there is a find the distance between distance a comma g. A is equal to -4, g is equal to 2, and then I have shown everything to you. Now in the same way, find the distance using the same number line. So make sure for every question you're making the number line again. Keep making the number line so that it is neat, and keep showing this jump. Okay, showing this jump is very important so that we can check our answer, that ये वाला आंसर एंड ये वाला आंसर सेम आ रहा है कि नहीं. So make sure you check your answer. For every question, make a separate number line. Is that clear? Okay, so for now we're only doing this much work. It's not very difficult, it should be easy, and I will send you the answer key as well. It totally depends on, if you tell me that Didi the work is done, you are supposed to tell me that, guys. Please, I'm telling you one more time, make sure that after you finish the work you tell me work is done. I am also now starting to, I'm going to make a page on my laptop where I'm going to check who is doing homework कौन से दिन. किसी भी दिन if I see कि 3 दिन if someone is not telling me that दीदी homework हो गया है, I am going to call at home, guys. High time, you need to start studying. July हो गया है. Please make sure that you are studying. Make sure you're doing the work. Make sure you're informing me that work is happening. Okay, thank you.